Today we are going to learn built-in function super. Now let's get started. Say if you want to inherit the parent class constructor, on that case you can use super built-in function. Here I want to inherit the parent class A, like I want to inherit the constructor of parent class A. On that case first I need to inherit the parent class. Now I need to specify the constructor, then I need to inherit a parent class constructor, so I need to use a super built-in function. Then I need to inherit a parent class constructor, so underscore underscore init. Now I can directly pass name to it. Let's save and let's try to create a object for class B. Here you need to pass the name. I'm going to pass as Ram, then I'm going to call the function greet. Now let's save and run. Here you can see it printed hello Ram. This is how it works. Thanks for watching.